Hello and welcome to my dashcam footage video with some videos that I am going to talk to you about. First example, because I'm in the mornings and afternoons because on a school bus in the mornings and on the way to school and on the way back from school, you're not allowed to record or take photos on a school bus. And it's actually not from that on a school bus on the way to school and on the way back from school. Yes, and I really have to be honest with you, everyone. I wanting to share some videos. Wanted to share why I haven't been putting the dashcam camera on front of anyone's car. Haven't put it in front of put the dashcam in front of their cars. When they don't really like me to. When Dashcam Adelaide, my friend of mine, Dashcam Adelaide, friend Andre, I don't know how to pronounce that word, sorry guys. Yeah, and I really wanted to tell you guys what's been happening so far and what's been going on with dashcam footage. But before I talk about the wrong things and how unhappy I was, well, the third driver, there were some drivers I didn't caught. So it was on Bryden Road on the way to Golf, Bryden Road in Seacliff, and we had a Holden that got out of Seacombe Road and then got into the merging lane in that he was merging, and then when no one was in the left lane and we approached in the right lane when he was turning right onto Wheatland Street in Seacliff. Well, he stopped straight in front of us and we had to swerve past him. I wasn't driving, but that was, I'm not going to say who, swerved around the car who pulled straight in front of us and stopped as well. And it wasn't a horn though. We didn't beat in front to, because we were nice and calm and chill. That is what happens with wrong thing drivers, because for some people they just react to what's happening on the roads and any wrong thing drivers going on or shocking dashcam videos I've watched before. Yes, there was some wrong thing drivers on the buses, by the way, which that mean when you have cameras, because for school they don't really like, the principals don't really like students having their cameras on with recording and taking photos, because for some reason their parents from their parents don't really like being filmed, is some reason why. That's because not just only the principals that made it, it's also parents that doesn't like their students to be in it. Anyway, now we're gonna talk about other things now with dashcam. Yes, and so every day in the morning and afternoon when I see some wrong thing people, I I will do a report, so I know how many people I saw do the wrong thing driving today, and I will report which car, and so I know, so you know who did the wrong thing driving, because for some reason when you're on the school bus or whatever, you can't do that. You can't record or take photos. That's what I'm talking about. That is. Okay, we've already talked about Dashcam on school buses, and that's not allowed actually. Now we're going to talk about we're going to talk about another thing now, about when I'm in support workers' cars and parents and their schools as well. Now let's talk about brother's school. Well, at Catherine Dominican College, my brother doesn't like recording in his school area because he gets frustrated when I record in his area because that's why he doesn't like me recording, and mum as well, and support worker as well. And for some support workers, I really have to hate to tell you, but for some support workers who are mine and my brother who is watching it on Dashcam footage about why I'm recording this, because something was happening to me by having the Dashcam on the front window when I was doing something that he doesn't like. Well, actually, here's an example. But because I've been doing things that he doesn't like, and whatever reason he's been giving me, I'm sorry to tell you guys, I really hate why he doesn't like me recording in his school area of side streets, and that really frustrates and upsets me a lot, I have to say, guys. And whatever, I get a bit unhappy of him. Why? And I'm not going to say a rude way as usual, because in some videos you might have to delete some, and it might be something inappropriate or whatever you guys can't watch. Yes, that is why what I hate the most. I really hate why he doesn't like me recording in his school area. That is annoying, and it frustrates. I know it frustrates you for some people, and whatever Dashcam, I hate that rule, and I hate it a lot when I have to stop recording. Absolutely hate it. Yeah, and that's why I get this whatever reason I record on the side streets near the school area where mum doesn't like me putting people in it when I'm not uploading onto anything when I catch people. That frustrates me all the time when I don't get to do something with Dashcam. That's what I have to hate, and that's what I have to hate to tell you guys or everyone, because it's annoying. Because unlike a friend of mine who is Dashcam Adelaide, I like doing what he does, and you guys don't peer pressure me on, and you guys don't peer pressure me on doing stuff what parents give me the wrong information, or you guys give me the wrong or you guys give me the right information. give me the wrong information and my parents give me the right information, get a bit unhappy with that as well. And also, nothing of that ever in my life. And for some reason, when you saw that video of brother snatch the front seat off of me, he wouldn't let me. I know what he'd done that for, what you saw on my YouTube shorts. Brother snatched the front seat off of me. Well, he wouldn't let me jump in the front seat first before I put the Dashcam GoPro on it. And in Support Worker's car, I don't get let to do that as well, which is very annoying. I'm a bit frustrated, and I get frustrated why. Yes, and that's the point anyway. Yeah, that's what it is at a moment. Okay, now I've already told you about the wrong things. Now we're gonna talk about the right things to do. With wrong things I already told you, so the right things to do is, so the solution is, do some driving reports, as well, and also, if you can't have a Dashcam camera on you, catch whoever is driving, or what car you caught. That's what you can do instead, when something frustrates you. And so what I'm going to be doing every day now when I'm driving, but not Saturdays though, what I'm going to do when I'm not, when I am not recording in their cars, so I'm going to request for you guys to, I do a report, and you guys some wrong thing drivers that I didn't caught, and I've been seeing them sometimes. But if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to this channel. There is apologies for some videos I will get rid of, like idiots or selfish. They're rude words, so idiots to some rude words you guys need to learn. Selfish, idiot, swearing as well. But if you and muppet is okay, or like, oh, that is the wrong thing to do when driving. Thank you. And I would go and I do whoa! I've got that on Dashcam. Yeah, and that as well. And yeah, that's what you can say. That is the wrong thing driving to do. But if you were saying idiots or selfish, that is rude. You can make the driver uncomfortable. You can make some drivers uncomfortable, and everyone else watching the video making you uncomfortable. Making them uncomfortable, sorry. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching, and I hope this video will understand you why I haven't been doing Dashcam videos much. So I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.